Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the last video for Globleland for these products that they sent me. And today I'm going to be doing the accordion style. It's called a die, I guess, but it only cuts, I'll show you here. It only cuts like certain spots, and the rest is just like that with the little dot thingy to fold to make it an accordion style. And I figured out you could do it a couple of ways as long as it folds in. Then you can put your stickers or paper, whatever you want, anywhere that it's not going to prevent it from folding out. And I did it two different ways. I show you that you could do it two different ways. This way, this part's sticking out and it'll still sit up, and this side, it's inside. So I'll show you what I made with it, and using the Snowman dies as well. So here is what I made with those. The first one is the accordion style, using the Snowman too. And this is what it looks like. And I'll show you it sitting up. And that's the inside. And I'll show you in a second them sitting up. And then I made this card. It's just a card. I didn't put anything on the inside yet. But I thought it was cute, and it had some sparkle. That's just using all the dies that came with it. So now I'm going to show you them sitting up. So that is the accordion style die and the Snowman dies. And I'll be right back to show you the card I made with the witch. And this is the witch stamp. And here is the card I made. I just stamped it in black ink. I put a blue piece of paper on the white cardstock. And you can color them. I did start to try to color a little bit on one, my off stamp, but I'm not too good a color. So I just did the black ink. And that was that one. So guys, I hope you like what I made with these dies. It was a lot of fun. These were really good quality dies. So go check out Globleland.com, and all the links to all the products will be in my description box down below. And I hope you all have a great day. Take care, everyone. Blessed be y'all. Bye.